Step 1. Personalized consultation. Understanding your unique requirements and aspirations. We'll start a thorough and professional consultation. Our highly skilled real estate experts will invest time in comprehending your distinct needs, preferences, and future aspirations. Our approach is customized to ensure a seamless transition to a cozy condo that aligns perfectly with your lifestyle and objectives.
We pack all their stuff. So what we do is we take pictures of everything. So if they've got a flat to the wall...
I'm liking it for me, never mind for other people.
I know.
Our white glove service includes sorting, donating, disposing of, and packing all your belongings in your current home. We'll carefully load them onto our truck and safely transport them to your new condo. Once we arrive, our team will unpack everything.
A lot of the stuff that would normally sit in boxes for months has already been unpacked and put away.
And your kitchen's
And you get to enjoy your home from day one instead of day 26, and you're like, oh my God, my living room is still full of stuff.
To top it off, we'll leave your new condo sparkling clean so you can start enjoying your new home from the moment you step in. Staging and curb appeal costs are included in our listing fees when we sell your current larger home.
I have a cleaning staff. I have handy men, handy women. We can come in and, fix holes in walls and stuff and do some painting if we need to, unless you have that service.
Right.
And we will prep the house for your stager to come in. I don't stage.
That means you can relax and leave the listing and showing process to us. Our expert team will handle all the details, ensuring your home is presented in the best possible light to potential buyers. Say goodbye to the hassle of leaving for showing appointments and constant cleaning. We've got you covered.